In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block spam comments in WordPress. If you've ever managed a WordPress site, you know that spam comments can be an irritating and time-consuming problem. Fortunately, there are quite a few effective strategies to manage and reduce this issue. So, let's dive into the solutions. One of the most straightforward methods to tackle spam comments is by using anti-spam plugins. These plugins are designed to automatically detect and filter out those unwanted comments, making your site cleaner and your job easier. A popular option in this category is the Akismet anti-spam plugin. Developed by Automatic, the team behind WordPress itself, Akismet is a trusted and reliable choice. In fact, it's already pre-installed with WordPress, which makes it convenient to get started with right away. Once activated, Akismet effectively analyzes incoming comments and filters out the ones it identifies as spam. Its real-time adaptability is one of its strongest features since it continuously updates its algorithm to provide better protection against new and evolving spam threats. Activating it is simple. First, navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard. From there, go to the Plugins section and locate Akismet on your installed plugins list. If it's not activated yet, go ahead and click Activate. You might need an API key to use Akismet effectively, which you can easily obtain from the Akismet website. This plugin offers different pricing plans, including a free tier for personal blogs, making it accessible for various users. Once Akismet is activated, you can relax knowing that a large portion of spam is being automatically filtered. However, remember to periodically check your spam folder. Sometimes, legitimate comments can mistakenly get caught by the filter, which you'd want to approve manually. Also, if you're running a business or professional blog, considering some of Akismet's premium plans might be worthwhile as they offer enhanced features and support. Although Akismet is a fantastic start, you shouldn't stop there. It's always good to diversify your strategy against spam. Consider exploring other compatible plugins that can work alongside Akismet or provide additional functionalities. If you ever run into configuration questions or need more detailed setups, both Akismet's support resources and WordPress's community forums are fantastic places to get help. Having a spam protection plan is essential, not just for your peace of mind, but also for maintaining the credibility and professionalism of your site. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be far better equipped to manage unwanted comments effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful WordPress tips.